Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make an .exe executable file of our Python program. So let's begin the video. So this is our previous code file which we wrote in our previous video where we automated WhatsApp messages to send birthday wishes using Python. So if you haven't watched this video, please go and watch the video first. So now let's talk about the requirements. We need a package which will do our task. So in this video we will be using Pyinstaller to make a .exe file. So now let's first know about what does Pyinstaller do. Pyinstaller bundles our Python application. It is capable of bundling all the dependencies into a single package so that this executable file can be distributed to others and the user can run that packaged app without installing a Python interpreter or any other modules. So now let's install the Pyinstaller. You can install Pyinstaller from your CMD or from your terminal of VS Code. As I'm using the terminal of VS Code, you can also install it from your CMD. So today we will install Pyinstaller from our Windows CMD. So this is our CMD. We will write pip install Pyinstaller over here. Now let's press enter. You can see as I have already satisfied the Pyinstaller installation, I have already installed it. So you can install it and you are good to go. Let's close this. Let's press Ctrl and tilde sign. You can also write pip install Pyinstaller over here. But you don't need to write over here and in your CMD. You can write at one place, either in your CMD over here or either over here in your terminal of whatever IDE you are using over here. So let's clear it. So now let's talk about which file you need to access. This is our folder and these are our files, two script files which we wrote in our previous videos. So we need to make an exe file of this WhatsApp script to.py. You can access any of the file path of which you want to make an exe file. Just go and select any main file path. So we are inside this path over here and we want to make an exe file of WhatsApp script 2.py. So I just need to write over here pyinstaller dash dash one file, and over here we need to write the file name of which you want to make .exe file and make sure that that is the main file of your program. So this is our main file and also a single file. We don't have many files, many folders. So this is our main file. So this is our only one file, right? Don't consider I'm saying one file over here with this. I'll tell you what this is. This is something else. So I'll tell you right now. Let's write WhatsApp script 2.py. So now let's talk about this dash dash one file over here. So this dash dash one file gives us only one file. Otherwise, if you don't write this one file, it will give you many files. So those all files might disturb you. So we are creating only one file. We need all bundled into one file. So we are using dash dash one file over here. Now let's press enter over here. And this is making r.exe file over here. See, the process has been completed. Now let's check out. It has created few files over here. First is the spy cache, second build, third is this dist, and one file over here, WhatsApp script 2.spec. So these are the four files it has created over here. we need to go inside this dist, and this is our Python script, WhatsApp script 2.exe. So now this script won't work over here. Why? Because in our program, that Chrome driver should exist in the same file where our that exe file exists, but we don't have any Chrome driver over here in the same folder. We just have the .exe file over here. So either you can copy this Chrome driver over here, or you can just cut this from over here and take this over here, so that it finds the path of the Chrome driver in the same folder. So you don't need all these now, you can delete them. We don't need all these. We got this Python script 2 over here. So now you can use the exe to run your program. But one more thing, if you have any external assets, just specify its proper path before making an executable, or whatever the external assets you have, just take it to the proper place, whatever you have written in your code. Like in our this script, we had this Chrome driver in the same folder, so we took our this WhatsApp script.exe to the same folder where we had our Chrome driver.exe. So now we are all set and ready to run our script. So let's run the script. So you can see the .exe file which we made is working. Let's run it completely. Enter the count. So after 1 minute, I will receive the message over here. So let's wait for the 1 minute time. And you can see we are done over here. The script works completely good without any issues. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.